each and every one of you, my visionaries, winners, kabaitans, and champions, for being the great testimonies of your financial freedom and success. Your incredible loyalty, stories, life-changing miracles, power, and commitment throughout the years. Maraming pong salamat. Alam niyo po, 23 years ago, First VitaPlus started as a dream, a vision to build something that would last, something that would grow, and something that would make a difference. Looking back at where we began and seeing where we stand today, one thing is clear. We are unstoppable. We are unbeatable. We are unbreakable. Hindi kayang pigilan, hindi kayang talunan, at hindi kayang tibayin. 23 years at muli, dito sa loob ng Araneta Coliseum, ay sama-sama nating pinatutunayan na walang imposible. Walang hindi pwede at wala nang hihigit pa sa pinagsama-sama nating power. To reach 23 years is never easy. Along the way, we have faced many storms we thought might sweep us away. We've encountered obstacles that felt insurmountable and challenges that tested not only our skills, but also our faith. But no matter what came our way, we never gave up. Instead, we rose stronger, braver, and more determined. We are unstoppable, hindi kayang pigilan, because of our shared commitment to excellence. Through innovation, teamwork, and persistence, we've proven time and again that we don't back down from challenges. We face them head on. Every time the road became steep, we climbed. Every time the market shifted, we adapted. And every time the odds were against us, we pushed harder, proving that nothing can hold us back when we move forward together. Kahit na kailan, hindi tayo matitinag dahil sa ating dedikasyon at determinasyon. Sa ating pagkakaisa at sipag, paulit-ulit nating pinatunayan na hindi tayo umaatras sa hamon ng buhay. We are unbeatable. Hindi kayang talunin. Because of the strength of our unity. Sa lakas ng ating pagkakaisa. Alam niyo po, palagi kong sinasabi, First VitaPlus is not just about products, services, or numbers. It is about people. It's about our team that believes in one another, supports one another, and lifts one another higher when we work together. Our collective strength becomes greater than any challenges that comes our way. That's what makes us a force that cannot be defeated. Hindi tayo kayang lipain dahil sa ating tibay at tatag. Sa loob ng maraming taon, tayo ay sinubok, hinamon, lamang nagpatibay sa atin. Ginawa nating pagkakataon ang bawat hirap, ginawang aral ang bawat pagkakamali, at ginawang patunay ng ating diwa ang bawat tagumpay. Kaya naman, we are unbreakable because of the resilience that defines us. Over the years, we've been tested, stretched, and challenged in ways we couldn't have imagined. But every trial, every setback has only made us stronger. We have turned difficulty in an opportunity. Every failure into a stepping stone, and every obstacle into a testament to our unwavering spirit. This milestone, our 23rd anniversary, is not just a celebration of the past. It is a promise for the future. The same grit, passion, and determination that brought us all here will continue to drive us forward. As we look ahead, let's not be content with where we are, but remain hungry for growth, innovation, and greater success. Let's dream even bigger and aim even higher, because there is no limit to what we can achieve together. Ang araw na ito, ang ating ika-23 taon, ay hindi lamang pagdiriwang ng nakaraan. Ito ay isang pangako para sa hinaharap. Ang parehong tapang, sipag at dedikasyon na nagdala sa atin dito, ang siya rin magtutulak sa ating pasulong. Dahil kaya natin maabot ang walang hanggan kapag tayo ay nagkakaisa. First Bypass Power Team! Tandaan ninyo, hindi tayo matitinag, hindi tayo matatalo, at hindi tayo mabubuwag. Today, we celebrate us, our journey, our achievements, and most importantly, our spirit. Let this moment remind us that we are not defined by the challenges we face, but how we rise above them. Remember, we are unstoppable. We are unbeatable. We are unbreakable. Para sa ating lahat, sa lahat ng ating narating, at sa lahat ng ating mararating pa, ang kinabukasan ay atin. At walang imposible sa First Vita Plus. First Vita Power Team! Are you ready to be unstoppable? Yes! Handa na ba kayo sa bagong yugto ng inyong bagong buhay? Yes! Are you ready to be unbeatable? Yes! Handa na ba kayong buksan ang pinto ng bagong pag-asa your partner in prosperity. Dahil lahat ng ginagawa natin dito ay para sa ikaulad ng bawat isa sa inyo. First Vital Plus is your number one supporter. Dahil tutulungan ko kayo at ipapakita ko sa inyo na yes, posible ang Ultimate Freedom Part 2. Ultimate Freedom times 2. This is my call to action. This is my battle cry. And this is my promise to you. First Vital Plus will be unstoppable. First Vital Plus will be unbeatable. And First Vital Plus, with the power of my missionaries, winners, kabaitans, and champions, will be unbreakable. Our path to new ultimate freedom begins right now. As I introduce to you an innovation and partnership that will bring new life and energy to the First Vital Plus brand of excellence. Here's to the 23 years that have shaped us and to the many more that lie ahead. Together, we are building a legacy that will stand the test of time. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Congratulations to us all. And here's to a future filled with even greater victories. Kaya naman po, First Vital Plus Power Team, sabay-sabay natin isigaw! Power! Tonight will be the greatest highlights for your 2025. And it is most definitely so. And I can't wait to get to it right away. Simulan na po natin! I am absolutely excited and hyped for what we have in store for 2025 in First Vital Plus this year. So for my first gift to you, I introduce Vitalife 2025. 98 pages of new products, classy, dynamic, and skillfully laid out artwork on our products, feature articles and messages from yours truly and our Vice President for Marketing, my daughter Patita Tumpalan. Available starting tomorrow, January 9. I love you more. I love you more po. Thank you. This next announcement brings honor to me and my family. I love you more po. For 2 successful decades, the Philippine Cancer Society sponsors this gala event to pay tribute to distinct individuals who have excelled in their respective industries, whether it be business, public service, philanthropy, entertainment, sports, science, or the arts. Last year, yours truly has been chosen and awarded by the Philippine Cancer Society as a style icon at the annual Best Dressed Women of the Philippine Grand Gala Ball last September 2024. So congratulations to us all. My achievements in the business sector are your achievements too. My next announcement is good news for you, my dear dealers. I introduce our newest payment options for your over-the-counter transactions. We have the best news for your online transactions at First VitaPlus using only a QR code. We now welcome iPay 88 SQR to pay for your transactions. Whether you are in the office or at home or even out of the country, you can make real-time payments for your purchases using only the SQR code. Just scan the code and the system will prompt you to key in your payment instructions. Send the proof of payment to our cashier and your purchase is done. So that's our latest innovation for our online transactions. iPay 88. And for our dealers around the country, please know that our Sizzle events will again be going to your areas to celebrate the life-changing stories from our dealers around the nation. So let's start on January 25. The Sizzle will be in Ormoc City. On February 22, the Sizzle event will be in Iloilo City, attended in person by Batita Tumpalan. So Batita will be with you. On March 8, it will be in Tacloban City. And on March 29, it will be in Cebu City, and I will be personally joining the Sizzle. And on April 26, the Sizzle will be in Bohol. And on May 10, good news for Davao City, I will personally be there to join your Sizzle event. And likewise for Baguio City, I will personally be joining you there on May 25. So mark your calendars and join the exciting events lined up for you. Also, more on our 2025 calendar of events. I am so happy to share that because of their integral contribution to the growth of First VitaPlus, your chairman, Sok, and I will be taking the product center owners and satellite center owners on February 10 to 15, 2025, so 5 days on, to the world's biggest indoor ski resort and to Disneyland in Shanghai, China. course, as a way of showing our gratitude and appreciation for your loyalty, perseverance, and hard work, our partners in this business, on March 1 to 6, 2025, SOC and I will be treating our Platinum awardees, icons, Hall of Fame awardees to cruise the Asian seas on its first ever departure from the Philippines on the luxurious European cruise ship, Costa Serena, headed for Taiwan and Japan.
Wow.